In this video, I'm going to show how to use the chord view in Lightning. The chord view is the view you see when you first turn the device on. In the chord view, the display is divided into two sections. The left section contains indicators for the chord type, and the right section contains indicators for notes in the chord. This left section corresponds to the left touch sensors, and the right section corresponds to the right touch sensors. As you can see here, there are some common chord types: major, minor, seventh, major seventh, sixth, and minor sixth. And if you press two of these touch sensors at the same time, you get a second set of 7 chord types to give you a total of 14 different kinds of chords that you can play on the device. If we go back and want to play a C major, we can press the major chord type selector. And over here we see this is where C is, and when we press and play that, what's going to happen is it's going to play the notes in C major. So C, E, and G, followed by C, E, and G in the next octave, and so on and so forth. If you go around the note selector in a clockwise direction, you're going to get ascending notes, and if you go in a counterclockwise direction, you're going to get descending notes. And it will repeat the notes in the chord across octaves all the way from the lowest pitch that's possible to the highest pitch that's possible. So if we play C major again, major, C, going up and going down. So that's how the basic chord type and note selection works. If we wanted to play each of the different chord types that's available, we could start with major, C, minor, seventh, minor seventh, major seventh, sixth, minor sixth, and then proceeding to the next set. A suspended second, a suspended fourth, augmented, diminished, a 7/6 chord, which probably sounds familiar to you from the blues, scale-based chords, fifths, and then back to the suspended second. So that's how the chord type selector works in the chord view. A couple of other things I wanted to point out is the key signature. If you're working with a song that is not in the key of C major or A minor, which is the white keys on a piano keyboard, you can use one of the menu items to enter the key signature of the song. And then Lightning will automatically adjust the notes in the chords so that they match the notes in that key signature. And down here, for a given chord, what we see is we see the chord type, including the intervals in the chord in semitones, and then the last note that we played for the chord. So that's how the chord view works in Lightning. Thanks.